Question number 19. Find the value of C for which the following equations have non-trivial solutions. Our three equations are given: Cx minus y minus z equal to 0, minus Cx plus y minus Cz equals to 0, x plus y minus Cz equal to 0. Now we know that our A matrix is C minus 1 minus 1 1 and again 1, then 1 minus 1 minus C and again minus C. B, our B term is B matrix is x y z. B matrix is x y z. We have given one condition. The solutions are non-trivial. So AB product is 0. AB product is equals to 0. And for non-trivial solutions, it should be A determinant should be equals to 0. A determinant should be equals to 0. So equating A determinant equals to 0, we'll move towards the next slide. So our A determinant is equal to 0. We'll put down this value and solve along our first row. So taking these values C, and we'll multiply 1 with this minus C and this one with this minus C, and similarly we'll take this minus 1 and multiply minus C with this minus C and 1 with this minus C, and similarly in this case also. On solving the equation C square plus 2C plus 1 equal to 0, we'll get C value as minus 1. So our answer is B option, C equals to minus 1. Thank you.